Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best lightweight wheelchairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for adults seeking enhanced mobility and independence, offering a blend of portability and reliable support for daily activities, travel, and navigating various environments with greater ease and confidence. Number 5. Drive Medical Lightweight Folding Transport Wheelchair. Experience unparalleled freedom with our lightweight transport wheelchair. Designed for ease of use, it makes navigating any environment simple and stress-free. Crafted with a durable steel frame, this wheelchair offers reliable support for everyday use. Its thoughtful design ensures both longevity and a comfortable experience for the user. Enjoy personalized comfort with the convenient swing-away footrests. They provide adaptable support, making transfers in and out of the chair easier than ever. Traveling has never been easier. Its compact and foldable design allows for effortless storage and transport, perfect for trips near and far. In a sleek silver finish, this wheelchair combines style with robust functionality. It's the ideal solution for reliable mobility support without compromising on aesthetics. What we like? This option offers robust support with its durable steel frame. The swing-away footrests add convenience for users. If you need a reliable and sturdy choice for everyday use, this is a great pick. What people say. This wheelchair is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and transport. The folding mechanism is simple and allows for quick storage and portability. Despite its light weight, the wheelchair is sturdy and provides excellent support. Number 4. Carex Transport Wheelchair. Introducing the Carex Transport Wheelchair, designed for your convenience. It offers a comfortable and secure seating experience for everyday use. With a spacious 19-inch seat, it ensures a comfortable ride for users of all sizes. Enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy and reliable design. This transport chair folds easily, making it perfect for storage at home or for taking on the go. Its lightweight design adds to its portability. Equipped with integrated footrests, it provides excellent support and comfort for your legs. This thoughtful feature enhances the overall user experience. Weighing just enough to be easily managed, this wheelchair is ideal for travel. Its foldable nature means you can take it wherever life takes you. Choose the Carex Transport Wheelchair for a dependable and user-friendly mobility solution. It's built to make your life easier and more mobile. What we like? With a comfortable 19-inch seat, this chair is designed for ease of use. It folds easily for convenient storage and travel. If you prioritize a slightly wider seat and simple folding for storage, this model is a solid contender. What people say. The wheelchair is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the house and even up small inclines. The folding mechanism is very intuitive and allows for quick storage and transport. It fits easily into the trunk of my car. The seat is comfortable for extended periods, and the armrests provide good support. The overall build quality feels sturdy and reliable. Number 3. Karman LT 980 Ultra Lightweight Wheelchair. Discover the Karman LT 980, an ultra-lightweight wheelchair designed for ultimate portability. Weighing in at just 24 pounds, it offers unparalleled ease of use. Experience freedom with its incredibly light construction. This wheelchair makes navigating everyday life simpler and more comfortable. Its lightweight nature ensures effortless maneuvering in various environments. You can take it anywhere with ease. Available in a sleek black finish, it combines style with practicality. It's designed to meet your mobility needs without compromise. This wheelchair is your perfect companion for travel and daily activities. Enjoy enhanced independence and convenience. Trust in Karman's commitment to quality and innovation. This model is built for durability and user satisfaction. What we like? Weighing in at just 24 pounds, this is an exceptionally light option. Its compact nature makes it easy to maneuver. If your absolute top priority is the lightest possible weight for effortless lifting and transport, this is the one to consider. What people say. The wheelchair is very lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for indoor use. The folding mechanism is simple and quick, allowing for easy storage and transport. The padded seat and backrest provide comfortable support for extended periods of use. Number 2. Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair. Introducing our new transport wheelchair, designed for ultimate portability. It weighs just 13.3 pounds, making it incredibly easy to carry. This wheelchair features a simple folding mechanism for quick storage. Take it with you anywhere, thanks to its compact size when folded. Perfect for seniors and individuals needing assistance with mobility. It provides a safe and comfortable way to travel and transfer. Constructed with quality materials, this wheelchair offers durability for everyday use. It's built to provide reliable support. Regain your independence with this portable solution. Enjoy the freedom to move around comfortably and with ease. What we like. This wheelchair redefines portability, weighing an astonishing 13.3 pounds. It's designed for maximum ease of transport. If you are a frequent traveler or need a chair that can be easily lifted and carried by almost anyone, this ultralight model is perfect. What people say. The wheelchair is very lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it simple to get around tight spaces. The folding mechanism is quick and efficient, allowing for easy storage and transport. The durable construction ensures stability and safety, even on uneven surfaces. Number 1. Drive Medical Lightweight Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair. Introducing the Lightweight Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair. Experience unparalleled ease of movement with this ultra-lightweight mobility solution designed for your independence. Crafted with a robust aluminum frame, it offers dependable support for seniors and adults. You can trust its strength for everyday use and travel. Equipped with convenient hand brakes, it ensures you have complete control over your speed and stops. Safety and confidence are always within reach. Its compact folding design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. Take it with you on trips, to appointments, or simply around the house. Available in a vibrant red, this transport chair combines functionality with a stylish look. It's the perfect blend of practicality and personal expression. Regain your freedom and explore the world with confidence. This wheelchair is engineered to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. What we like. Featuring a strong yet light aluminum frame and convenient hand brakes, this offers enhanced control. It's designed for both durability and ease of handling. If you value added safety features like hand brakes and a strong, lightweight build for seniors and adults, this Expedition model is an excellent choice. What people say. This wheelchair is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and transport. The folding mechanism is simple and allows for quick storage and portability. Despite its light weight, the wheelchair is sturdy and provides excellent support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.